Hello, my name is Ken Reed. We're now looking at page 9 of the DYO Green Building Decision Kit. It is wall page number 9 under Electrical. 9A is choosing your contractor. 9B is reducing your load, which is important if you're looking into renewable energy, for example. 9C is the distribution system throughout your house. There's some options you can use to reduce the cost of wiring. 9D, the conduit system. We'll cover that. 9E is safety, which of course is self-explanatory. We'll look into that. And 9F is renewable energy production, how to either incorporate for future renewable energy systems or how to build them in as you design your home or your small business.